In the panic, the rider was forced to flee like everyone else. But as Diana Mendez discovered during the call, unlike everyone else, he was visually impaired. As bomb squads scoured the Cal State LA campus, Diana stayed on the line with the lost and terrified man until someone was finally able to guide him to safety. And she saw him through until the grateful rider was successfully reunited with his access van. With mad skills, Diana oversees a dedicated squad of call takers, monitors the phone queues, handles supervisor calls, and reroutes LA and Antelope Valley CERT trips. If an octopus could juggle, it might look something like call center supervisor Diana Mendez. The hard work of everyone around her in the SGT Care Call Center always spurs Diana on, and together, this team always gets the day's work done on time. As hectic as her job is, she loves being in a position never to have to tell a customer, "Sorry, I can't help you." If a customer needs special accommodations or a trip change, and there is a way to make it happen, Diana knows it. And to her, this is the essence of superior service, knowing your job inside and out so well you can answer any question or tackle any problem. Thank you, Diana, for always going above and beyond.